Hey, hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, let's go ahead and take a look at Cardano. What will one ADA be worth by the end of this market cycle? As many of you already know, Cardano is one of the biggest cryptocurrency projects that are out there in the world today. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of Ethereum's co-founders, and the vision he has for Cardano is exquisite. If you guys do not know what Cardano is, I highly urge you all to check it out, as they are one of the cryptocurrency projects that has real life use cases and are changing the world for better. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the technical analysis and what will the price of one ADA be at the end of this market cycle. We will take two approaches in determining the price of ADA at the end of this market cycle. One will be using the total cryptocurrency market capitalization and ADA's share in the cryptocurrency market, and the other will be with its relation to Bitcoin. Let's jump into the content. This is the chart of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization. As you can see, the yellow line represents the tops that have taken place until now, and the red lines mark the accumulation phases of the total cryptocurrency market cap. The tops have been fit only to 2 data points, while the accumulation range is fit to a lot of data points, hence can be more accurate and can be used for better analysis. So in this first method, let's first identify what the cryptocurrency market capitalization will top out by the end of 2021 or whenever this market cycle ends. And next, find out the market share of ADA and try to find out the price with relation to its market capitalization. And as you can see, we have this yellow line and we have already topped out 2 times at this yellow line. Now for our analysis, we will say that we will be topping out at this yellow line even this market cycle, and that we won't be able to reach incredible prices above this yellow line. We might have small ranges above this yellow line, but it's very difficult for us to break this yellow line and break out of this zone. So for the sake of analysis, let's assume that we will top out even at this market cycle at this yellow line. So now let's go and find out what the market share of ADA was during the 2018 bull run. This is a chart from CoinMarketCap. You can find out the Bitcoin dominance and the market share of various other top cryptocurrencies at any particular time using this chart. So as you can see, during January 2018, we had the previous top of the market cycle. And during that time, you can see that Cardano had almost 3.13% of the total cryptocurrency market. And let's try to do some price analysis with this data. So the first method we'll be taking is a conservative method. And for this conservative method, let's say that we top out in December 21. The end of the market cycle will be in December 21. So as you can see, if we top out in December 2021, the total cryptocurrency market capitalization will be valued at almost $5.9 trillion. So let's try to find out the price of one ADA if this happens. So this is the conservative approach. So let's just assume that Cardano has the same market share as it had the previous market cycle, which is 3.13%, and the total estimated cryptocurrency market capitalization would top out at 5.94 trillion, which we saw with this yellow line and in this chart. And now if you calculate Cardano's market cap of the total market cap, we can find out that the market capitalization of Cardano would be 178 billion at the end of this market cycle. We already know that the total supply of Cardano is 31 billion. So to find out the price of one ADA, we just divide the total market capitalization of Cardano by the circulating supply. So it means that 178 billion divided by 31 billion will give us a value of $5.57. So even at the most conservative approach, we can see that ADA is almost going to reach $5 by the end of this market cycle. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the non-conservative approach. In general, we could see that the cycles are lengthening in time and we are having diminishing returns. So this yellow line basically means that the returns are diminishing with time, and we can also notice that every market cycle is extending with time. So we will also put that into use over here and assume that we have a market cycle top in the September of 2022, and we always tend to go a little bit up and down from this yellow line, so we can have a bit of tolerance for this yellow line. So let's say we top out in September of 2022 with a total cryptocurrency market capitalization between 7 to 10 trillion dollars. Let's go ahead and find the price of 1 ADA if this happens. So during this non-conservative approach, we take into account that the market share of Cardano will be around 5%. This was taken into account because Cardano has improved a lot from its previous market cycle. Exposure for Cardano in general has increased a lot. So this 5% is just a random number. It could easily go beyond 5%. This is, even though I've said this as a non-conservative approach, I feel like I'm being conservative to estimate that the market share of Cardano will be only 5% by the end of this market cycle. I believe it will be even more. But for now, let's just predict the price of Cardano with a conservative approach, relatively conservative approach. So since we top out in September of 2022, we take the total cryptocurrency market capitalization to be 7 trillion. And now the Cardano's estimated market cap, which is 5% of 7 trillion, will be 350 billion. And the Cardano supply is going to be 31 billion. So the price of 1 ADA will be around $10.95. So taking into account this approach, using the total cryptocurrency market capitalization and Cardano's market share, we could see that the price of ADA would be estimated around $5.5 to $10.9 at the end of this market cycle. There is also one more way to determine the price of ADA. Let's go ahead and take a look at that price prediction. Now let's take a look at this approach where we compare Cardano with Bitcoin and try to find out the price at the end of this year. So this is a chart which represents Cardano against Bitcoin. So we previously had this peak during the January of 2018, which was around 0.0000881 or 87 per Bitcoin. This green range over here can be considered as an accumulation range for Cardano against Bitcoin. So when ADA is at this point against Bitcoin, it is reasonably a good time to invest into ADA rather than at these local tops. At these local tops, you would be converting your ADA into Bitcoin, as you can see that we have been bleeding whenever we reach these local tops. So let's take into account that this is the previous market cycle peak for Cardano against Bitcoin and try to find out the price of 1 ADA. Now in this approach also, we have the conservative one and the non-conservative one. Let's just assume that the price of 1 Bitcoin is going to reach $100,000. This is like a more conservative approach because I believe that Bitcoin is going to reach a lot more than just $100,000. But to be conservative, let's just say Bitcoin peaks out at $100,000. We know that the ADA Bitcoin peak is previously this value, and hence the price of ADA will be in the previous peak into the price of Bitcoin, which will give us around $8.7. And now for a more non-conservative approach, let's say that Bitcoin peaks out at $150,000. The ADA BTC peak will be the same, but the price of ADA when the price of 1 Bitcoin reaches $150,000 will be $13.05. So even in this approach, you can see that Cardano can reach a price of between $8 to $13 by the end of this market cycle. So from the various approaches we took towards determining the price of ADA, the average price was determined to be around $9.5. So if you go and take a look at the measured price move from right now, if we met our targets, it would be almost a 650% move towards the upside, which is like an insane move for one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. So to wrap up this video, I'm super bullish on ADA for this market cycle. Let's wait and see to take a look at what happens with the price. I hope you all enjoyed the content. I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.